Work Area 1, Storage and Control, Week 1, Introduction to ERPNext. This week will be an introduction to ERPNext with a brush over of how ERPNext works, the awesome bar, and the user interface browser. You'll see Firefox installed on your workstations, and you'll see a hyperlink or a bookmark in the upper left-hand corner that will take you directly to the website that hosts ERPNext. As you can see, it brings you to a login screen. That login screen will eventually you'll be putting in your username and password. You don't have those yet, you'll be getting them shortly from your instructor. My username and password is saved. I'm going to go ahead and log in and get to the main screen of ERPNext. Once I log in, you can see down the left-hand side, there are different modules throughout the ERPNext itself. You can see there's accounting, buying, selling, stock, assets, manufacturing. We're going to use a lot of these, not all of them. ERPNext is completely customizable, and you could add in more modules, design your own modules, and set them up the way you would like. To add users, you'll see there's a users module on the left. Click over to users. User, you'll see there's the instructor one and the administrator, George. To add another user, you click add user, email, first name, and role profile. There's a full form as well that you can get in all the information if you would like. The back button always works to navigate. Your instructor will help you add your user. To add users, you will have to have a administrative level profile. All the student user profiles will not have the ability to add users, but you'll be able to log into your account and work from there. So now that's the user section. I'll show you how to now navigate back to the main screen. The E up in the upper left-hand corner will bring you quickly back to where you need to go. You'll also see that in ERPNext, there is the awesome bar up top. The awesome bar will help you find anything you might need. For example, if you wanted to find users, you could go to the user list right here and it would bring that up for you. The back button would also work. The awesome bar is key though. It'll help you find anything you need so you don't have to navigate through the modules to the actual menu to find every section that you're trying to work on. The main goal this week is to navigate around, learn the awesome bar, what it does, and maybe look around in some modules, but you would not want to change any information. You can look around, you're welcome to look at the items in the system, look around, click on them, look at the pictures and so forth, but don't change or hit the save button anytime. The save button is key. The save button is what keeps information accurate. If you do click it, it will make sure the information gets stored to the server. If you don't click it, you could possibly lose your information. What I mean by not clicking it is changing information on the page and then hitting the back button or hitting another link without clicking the save button. The save button is key to making actions move forward. But like I said, this week is to learn ERPNext, learn the navigation, have a look around, have fun, but don't change anything, please.